Meaning of Knowbot.
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 Knowbot. Knowbot is a term that was coined in the 1980s to describe a type of software program designed to retrieve information from computer networks. The name Knowbot is derived from the phrase knowledge robot, and these programs were designed to be intelligent agents that could search for and gather specific information from different sources. Knowbots were considered to be early forms of search engines, and they were used to automate tasks such as data gathering and monitoring. Today, the term Knowbot is not as commonly used as other terms like search engine or intelligent agent, but it still carries the connotation of an autonomous information retrieval program.